Having a blog is a great way to bring additional traffic to your website, but only if the blog is doing what it's supposed to do. I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can power up your blog for better traffic. The first step to making a blog work for you is ensuring that the traffic coming to it is getting what they're looking for. There's 2 or 3 things that are involved here, and we're going to talk about each one of those in terms of making sure that the right traffic is coming to your blog and therefore staying and not bouncing out the other side. Google doesn't like bounces, and so if you can keep traffic on your page for longer, you will do better. So the first tip: make sure you've got images and feature images assigned to your blog that relate to the content of your site and relate to what you do and what you offer. Too often we see images that are simply unrelated to what you do as a business or can't really be integrated with blog content. By making sure that your images are on point, and that includes being named appropriately, it reinforces your message to Google that this blog is what somebody wants to look at. Second tip: make sure the title of your blog entry not only responds to the question that you believe visitors are looking to get an answer to, but also ties into your business and your service offering. Again, by making sure that your content aligns with your site's focus, you're going to strengthen the image to Google that you're an authority on the subject. If you're going to have an article about paint maintenance and you have an automotive detailing site, fantastic. You can find a way to tie those 2 together easily, but what you can't do is find a way to talk about baseball in relation to your business. Making sure that those 2 things have some synergy is critical to ensuring that the blog gets additional traffic from search sources like Google or Bing or any of the third-party search engines. Are there any? The last thing that you need to consider is ensuring that your content is actually delivering value. This is probably the toughest thing to do of all 3, but making sure that your content delivers value to the user is really as simple as saying, am I answering a question that brought them here, or am I answering a need that brought them here? If your content is fluffy, they're going to bounce out, they're going to leave early, or they're just simply not going to come back to your site. But if you're delivering value, if you're delivering information that they didn't have, it's great branding opportunity for you, and you're likely to see a repeat visit. That's 3 tips for making sure your blogs do what they're supposed to do, which is bring you traffic. I'm Greg from Mtek. Thanks for watching. If you get value out of these videos, hit the subscribe button down there, click the bell to be notified, and if this particular video was useful to you in any way, shove us a thumbs up because, hey, you know, it's always nice to be wanted.